We'll take a quick look at this year's Kentucky Derby field, and we'll start with post position number 5, Always Dreaming, trained by Todd Pletcher. Todd Pletcher is overdue for a win. He's got one win and something like 50 starters for the Derby. This horse is lightly raced, especially considering Todd Pletcher's previous horses. Back in January, he broke his maiden in a maiden special weight. Then in March, he won an allowance race. This is a fairly easy level of competition for Derby horses, and I like that. The horse didn't have to work all that hard for an impressive win by several lengths. Then he won the Florida Derby, so he proved he's a runner. He can handle this level of competition. Then we can look at recent 5 furlong breeze at Churchill Downs, 59.6 seconds, fastest of 35 horses for the day. A good sharp move. Let's look at his Trackus numbers. He can close in a 1.125 race with an average speed for the final fraction and 36.1 miles per hour. That's good, not the greatest, but it's pretty good. Peak speed 41.7, that's plenty of speed to get out of the gate in these route races and get out of trouble. He's got a great post position in number 5, so he should be okay in that respect. And let's take a look at his family as well. Bodemeister, nice horse, but he never won beyond a 1.125 miles. So he was second in the Derby, but does that mean Always Dreaming is going to cut that 1.25 miles? I don't think it eliminates that factor at all. We've also got the large heart gene through Secretariat Stam Something Royal. So considering all this data, I see no reason why Always Dreaming could not be the winner of the 2017 Kentucky Derby.
Fire for effect at the inside, Always Dreaming stylishly in the opener. He won it by 3.5.